Boosting confidence for girls. Welcome back to my channel. Confidence is the key to unlocking a world of opportunities. Today, we'll explore practical tips to boost confidence for girls. Whether it's for school, sports, or everyday life, these strategies can help build a strong foundation of self-assurance. First, let's understand what confidence is. Confidence is believing in your own abilities and feeling comfortable in your own skin. It's not about being perfect. It's about being proud of who you are and what you can achieve. One of the simplest ways to boost confidence is through positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with empowering affirmations. Remind yourself daily of your strengths and achievements. Set realistic and achievable goals. Break them down into smaller steps and celebrate each milestone. Achieving goals, no matter how small, can significantly boost your confidence. Don't be afraid to face challenges or make mistakes. Every failure is an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace these experiences as they contribute to building resilience and confidence. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. A strong support network of friends, family, and mentors can provide encouragement and constructive feedback. Engage in physical activities. Exercise not only improves physical health but also releases endorphins, which can enhance mood and confidence. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Practice self-care. Taking care of your mental and physical well-being is crucial. Ensure you get enough rest, eat healthily, and take time for relaxation and hobbies. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. Keep believing in yourself, stay positive, and never stop growing. You are capable of amazing things. I'm Minhu signing off. Until next time, stay beautiful and confident. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.